She asked for a break. He gave her divorce. Be me. 32. Married 5 years. Had peace, routine, dumb little joys. Wife used to kiss me goodnight every night, no matter what. Called me her, always. Thought I was set for life. Then she discovers girlboss TikTok, divorce podcasts, self-worth influencers. Suddenly marriage is a construct. Says she missed her wild years. Wants to breathe, explore separately. If it's real love, we'll come back stronger. LMAO sure. She moves out in a week. New wardrobe, lashes, crop tops. Captions every post, rebirth. Nightclub reels, gym selfies. Trainer's hand on her thigh. Me still folding her laundry like an idiot. Reheating frozen dinners. Replaying old voicemails just to hear her laugh. 3 months later. Trial separation, paperwork in the mail. Translation, keep me on the bench while I try out better men. Break down completely. Cry in the shower, sleep 4 hours a night. Nobody to talk to but the echo of her perfume on my pillow. One morning look in the mirror. See a ghost staring back. Decide fuck it, rebuild quietly. Gym, cooking, journaling. Delete all our selfies. Stop waiting. Friend drags me to a get-together. Almost didn't go. Meet new girl there. Chill, kind, no filters, no ego. Talks about dumb movies and deep shit without trying to sound enlightened. Start seeing her. Slow, honest, feels real. She holds my hand like it means something. Then the panic hits. Wife texts me at 11:27 p.m. Can we talk? Next day she shows up. Wearing my hoodie, no makeup, crying before she even says a word. I thought I needed freedom, but I needed you. Tries to kiss me. I step back. Tell her I've moved on. She freezes. You're just doing this to hurt me. Me, nah, you already did that part. She bawls, says she's confused, lonely, made a mistake. Asks if we can go back. I file for divorce instead. She spams long emails for days. Got swept up in social pressure. Never thought you'd actually let go. Court day comes. She looks wrecked. Asks if I still care. I tell her, I hope you find peace. Judge finalizes it. She walks away with nothing but healing quotes and Instagram sunsets. Now mornings are different. Making breakfast with new girl. She kisses my cheek while pouring coffee. X posts. Funny how the ones who stay are the ones we push away. Scroll past without liking. She wanted hot girl summer. Seasons change. Nobody waits for you when winter hits.